So what I have here is our junction box, or what's commonly referred to as a J box. And essentially what a junction box or J box does is it brings all the load cells in from the bottom, and then it basically combines all the load cell signals inside the box, and then it sends that one single signal out into the GT560. And essentially what the GT560 does is it will digitize that one single signal, and that's what creates the weight that we're going to be seeing on the indicator. Now, I've pulled all the screws out of the top of this J box here, so I'll show you what the inside looks like. What you'll get inside the J box is you've got TB1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So with this, since these are our bare lead systems, you're going to have a bare lead off that load cell. Basically, bare lead means just the wire connectors. It's not an M12 screw-in connector of any type. It'll come up from the bottom, and you'll connect that into which terminal block lead it needs to be. So since this is a 5-point system, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 occupied. Then we'll have 7 that'll come off the side that'll go up into the indicator. Inside every box, I've got a little baggie that's going to have 4 little washers that go to some self-tapping screws. And the self-tapping screws will be used on the inside, right down here, here, and here, to basically stick this thing to the side of the grain cart. And you also see there's a little plastic plug. For a 5-point system, that plastic plug is going to be put in the spare slot on the bottom to make that a weatherproof container.